Structural steel is the foundation of modern construction, shaping skyscrapers, bridges, and stadiums worldwide. But behind every structure lies precise detailing, a critical process ensuring accuracy in design and fabrication. Steel detailers transform architectural blueprints into thorough technical drawings, marking exact dimensions, cuts, and connections. While technology and automation enhance the process, expertise remains irreplaceable. Our training program equips both beginners and professionals with the skills needed to excel in this competitive industry. Master the art of steel detailing. Build the future with precision.
Structural steel detailing consists of key components that ensure accuracy in fabrication and construction. First, erection drawings serve as a construction roadmap, specifying the location, positioning, and installation of each steel component. These drawings focus on overall assembly, ensuring all parts fit together correctly on site. Next, shop drawings provide fabricators with precise details, including measurements, material specifications, welding instructions, and fabrication guidelines. These drawings guarantee accuracy in manufacturing and compliance with design requirements. Next, Bill of Materials, BOM. A comprehensive list of all materials required for the project, including quantities, dimensions, and specifications. The BOM helps in procurement and ensures that all necessary materials are available for fabrication and construction. Process of Structural Steel Detailing 1. Design Review. The detailing process begins with a thorough review of the structural design and architectural plans. This involves understanding the project's requirements, design intent, and any specific codes and standards that need to be followed. 2. Modeling and drafting. Using specialized software, such as AutoCAD, Tekla Structures, or Revit, detailers create three-dimensional models of the steel structure. These models serve as the basis for generating detailed erection and shop drawings. Third, coordination. Effective communication and coordination with architects, engineers, and fabricators are crucial. This ensures that the detailing work aligns with the overall design and that any potential issues are addressed early in the process. 4. Quality checks. Rigorous quality checks are performed to ensure accuracy and compliance with design specifications and industry standards. This includes checking dimensions, material specifications, and fabrication details. 5. Documentation. Comprehensive documentation is prepared, including erection drawings, shop drawings, and the bill of materials. This documentation serves as a guide for fabricators and contractors during the construction phase. Next topic is importance of structural steel detailing, precision and accuracy. Detailed drawings minimize errors and ensure that all components fit together as intended, reducing the risk of costly modifications and delays. Efficiency. Streamlined communication and accurate documentation improve the overall efficiency of the construction process from fabrication to erection. Safety and compliance. Adhering to industry standards and regulations enhances the safety and structural integrity of the building, ensuring compliance with relevant codes. Cost savings. Accurate detailing helps minimize material waste and prevents expensive rework, ultimately leading to cost savings for the project. Structural steel detailing is a critical component of successful construction projects, providing the detailed guidance needed to transform design concepts into reality.